Hi, today I'm going to make a Swiss recipe from Switzerland that is very easy to do. It's called Rösti.
Yes, honey? Did you need me?
No, that's Rösti. Potatoes. Once the potatoes are all peeled, I use this machine, or you could use one of those. When I have all those potatoes shredded, I wash it. So this is my trick. I do wash everything. I wash it 3 times. The water is almost clear. Now I have my shredded potatoes. I'm gonna give it a twist. I use a towel and I put my potato here.
What's that?
Rösti.
Oh, it's roasty, yummy.
I'm not saying this is the only way to do it, but it has worked very well for me in the past. So I like to dry. I give a little massage. Make sure you use a fry pan like that. Don't use that. Otherwise you're gonna hate Switzerland. Put a little bit of oil. And put a little bit of butter. Potatoes. Meanwhile, I go back to Schoology. Yay! After like 20 minutes, it's time to flip. And I flipped it. Extra oil. So I put back the uncooked side.
1 to 10, it's to 100.
I like to eat it with some carrot salad and with some vegetarian sausage.
Oh, the Rösti's good. Awesome.